Hello and welcome to Magoosh LSAT. In this short tour, we'll tell you everything you need to know about getting started with Magoosh so that you can get the LSAT score that you want. You'll start Magoosh on your dashboard. Here, you can watch lessons that have been suggested just for you. You can start practice sessions, and you can review your results and progress. We recommend that students start with one of our study schedules, which you can find under Resources. We have plans for virtually any duration you may be studying for the LSAT. If you prefer to direct your studies more yourself, you can find all of our lessons under the Lessons heading. You can watch each video lesson at your chosen speed, follow along with the transcript below the video, and take notes on what you've learned. When you're ready for practice, you have three options. You can do custom practice, where you can choose precisely what you want to practice by question type or by official LSAT test. You can also take a practice section, where you'll practice an official LSAT section under timed conditions. And when you're ready to put it all together, you can take a practice test where you'll get an overall scaled score. When you want to review what you've done, click on Review, and you'll find a comprehensive report where you can drill down on everything you've done so far and diagnose your strengths and weaknesses and find ways to improve. Your Magoosh LSAT account also comes with paired access to official LSAT Prep Plus, where you can access dozens more official tests and practice using the same interface that you will use on test day. No matter where you are in Magoosh, help is just a click away. Whether you're struggling with a particular question or just need a pep talk for test day, you can contact our helpful LSAT experts anytime by clicking on that purple button. That's it. We are thrilled to help you prep smart, go far, and enjoy the ride.